Well, hey friends, welcome back. In case you haven't noticed, I'm not in my garden. I am at the rooftop of the State Hotel. And this is a hotel I love. It's near and dear to my heart. And they've invited me to do something super special. We are going to refresh the top floor, the suite level of the hotel. So behind me is one of these beautiful kind of like rows of planters that separate the suites from one another. And essentially, I always start all my projects with like a brief. What is the client after? What's the goal? What's the vibe, right? This is our vibe check. And they wanted something classic, timeless, evergreen, a wee bit funky, and of course, florals. It has to also be low maintenance because we have guests in here. And so we can't just be like in here every day deadheading. And so you really need to think about what kind of florals you're going to use when it comes to a situation like that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the evergreens we've selected, the texture bits that we've selected, and then I've decided to do one key floral bit in each one of these planters, something that blooms its little head off all the way until frost. It's a perennial, so it'll come back year after year, and it really takes a beating because on a rooftop, you've got full sun, you have wind, which is especially drying to soils, and you know, you got some wildlife up here. And I don't know if it's gonna happen, but earlier today when we were arriving on site, we also had the blue angels flying overhead. And if you are not familiar with the Northwest, it is coming up on Seafair weekend, which is one of the most fun weekends in Seattle. It's just a celebration of all good things. We have the Blue Angels. There's a lot of hydroplane races. Everyone's out on their boats. Great food, lots of festival atmosphere. So I'm gonna get you set up and we are going to zhuzh these containers and get them ready for the guests that are arriving in like an hour and a half. We are gonna start with our centerpiece here. And now all of these can be seen from both sides. So I want something, I'm gonna do a center laying arrangement and we're keeping it really simple, knowing that we've got guests here. We can't just be going in and out willy-nilly. Of course, they'll water when the housekeeping is in, but it's still nice to have something really low maintenance. And so because we're going with low maintenance, I have opted for a euonymus green spire. This is a great choice. It is just a durable as heck shrub and I love it endlessly. It's naturally super duper hardy. It's also evergreen. The other reason I chose this is because I feel like the State Hotel is timeless in other ways and then like funky and modern in other ways. And so what this does is it kind of simulates a little bit more of like a funky version of hedging. The other thing that's really nice is these will grow. They won't like become overgrown in these beautiful containers. And then when each of the guests are out here, they've got a little bit of privacy, which of course is super important when you're having a hotel stay. Sometimes it's really lovely to just pretend like you're on your own little planet. The next layer I'm gonna bring in is one of my favorite perennials of all time. It is a geranium roseanne, and I will tell you why I have chosen this for this location. If you have never met geranium roseanne, here she is. I feel like this is a plant that I rely on time and time again. And I think a couple of the reasons that I love it, oh, by the way, I'm putting one off that side and I'm putting the second one off this side. So both units get a little play of that floral. But if I had to pick my top 3 reasons I love this plant, especially for this particular container. Number 1, it is an incredibly long bloomer. And I do mean a long bloomer. So I know that I can put this in here and not only is it gonna bloom its little head off all summer long, but for me, in my zone, these typically bloom until I hit my first frost. And so for me, when we have these beautiful late summer days, beautiful autumn days, I want a plant that is gonna still keep going. So that's reason number 1. Now, reason number 2 is this is a perennial that is durable as heck. And I know that this is a very busy hotel. And so I want to give them something that they aren't gonna need to like fuss over. You know what I mean? I know that if they get it just a little bit of water and let it do its thing, all they're really gonna need to do is maybe get in here twice a year, once to give it like a little baby shot of fertilizer in the spring, which is important because this is a contained unit. And then they're gonna do a cleanup after that first frost hits. And then that's it. Like, I don't need to give this hotel any more work. I wanna keep them focused on what they do best, which is like an amazing guest experience. Okay, are we ready for our texture bit? Be right back. Okay, friends. Here we are with our texture bit. This is a classic. It's a favorite. This is black mondo grass. And for this hotel, I really love bringing in a bit of like rock and roll texture. And I just feel like black mondo grass always does that. It always gives like an elevated punch. It's evergreen. Again, it's durable. Remember, we're doing an arrangement that they just like, it just needs to be pretty. They need to water it and then get on with their day because they're focused on about 800 other wonderful things. And I do feel like black mondo grass, it just kind of matches the energy of the State Hotel. Also, they have tons of black accents, obviously, or maybe not so obviously, throughout the hotel. And so I feel like bringing in the black mondo grass is such a great nod to the incredible interiors. And I'm giving these things a very solid push down into the soil. And then at the very end, I'll come in, I'll give everything a really good water. And because these are such large containers, they're more prone to sinking. I hear the Blue Angels again. Super fun. So at the very end, I will come back through and I will do another top dressing just to make sure that as this settles, we don't have a big gap at the top. All that's really left to do is get you set up. I have 3 more of these guys to plant in, and I think we should get to work. I would zip you around and give you fancy angles. There's not the video today. We are playing Beat the Clock because we have new guests arriving and they are setting up for an event right over there. So hurry, hurry. In the distance over there, you can see the other containers that we did earlier today. We didn't film it because there's a guest staying there. And then in the distance, do you see the red umbrella? That is actually the upstairs of the new Ben Paris rooftop scenario. I'm actually going to leave links in the description below because they just opened it to the public. So you do pay for a reservation. It comes with a drink and private access to this adorable rooftop space. You can also rent it out. In fact, they are prepping for 50 people to come for a private event. Do not miss that because it is literally the best, and I do mean the best view of Pike Place Market ever. So friends, here we are, finished installation. We have 3 of these little borders separating the suites up here, and I think they turned out perfect. It's like, it's got that evergreen, it's got evergreen texture. We have the wildness of the geranium Roseanne, which will fully drape down the front and play in those ionos as they grow up. So I think it's just the right touch and it's the right energy for this rooftop space. Okay, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Don't forget, if you are local to Seattle, you can come up to this rooftop, have a beautiful cocktail, wonderful engagement with your friends, and take in the best view of the waterfront. I mean, it is spectacular. Okay, I'm gonna go. There's a party started. Say hello to your garden for me.